Morning everybody. Well, I've been away today and I've been and collected just some more God pigeons. I'm just going to release them into my hut now. And they'll be a wee bit dirty because I've been in this wee boat. The man packed them up for me today to go and collect them. But we're just back. And rather than me mess them about and give them a bath and all that, I'm just going to put them in the hut. I never had it right, there we go. Yeah, they're just wee youngins. I've got a couple of cocks and a couple of hens. And I'm just going to release them into the hut. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. He's gorgeous, isn't he? I've not got any names for them yet. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's it. I just need to get a wee hold of you. So next one. Lovely white pigeons this time. Their feet are all dirty because I've been in this boat. There's no lot I can do about it. Let them settle, like I said, for a couple of days. And we'll see to them then. There you go, darling. There we go. Run you. That's it. Up ye's gate. Up ye's gate. What one's like that? What's going on here, Mum? They're a wee bit dirty. Let them settle for a couple of days. I'll bring the bath in. They can sort themselves out. They can have a wee look. Happy days!